guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is LeahMaher. I am an Irish makeup artist and I really appreciate you coming to this video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you all my absolute favourite makeup products and brushes, and I'm going to be including pricing and what I really like about each product. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. So jumping right in then, the first product I absolutely can't live without is the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette. Absolutely amazing palette. Such a variety of shades. The reason I really do enjoy this palette is because in the past I didn't like Morphe palettes in the way they were formulated or pressed or whatever it was, but these ones are like butter. And I have the 39A as well that I'll be showing you now in a minute because it also is one of my favorites, and that is the exact same. So zooming in then to the shades, as you can see they're extremely vibrant and colourful. I really like this palette because there's so much variety of what you could do with the palette. The shimmers are absolutely out of this world. Like this eye look today, the blue in the middle was this shade right here without any sprays or anything on it. So yeah, when I am doing makeup and clients, etc., I love the Jaclyn Hill palette for variety, and I also love my next product that is in my favorite 39A palette. It is just absolutely amazing. I'm going to grab it now and give you a closer look. As you can see, Morphe really stepped up their packaging. This is what you get. Look at all of them amazing shades. I love the fact as well that there's a middle row just for transition shades. That's great for makeup artists as well, just because they are the main shades that you will be using in the palette, so it's nice to have bigger pans for them. And as you can see then, it goes like cool tones, all the blues, shimmers, then all your transitions, and then you'll have like a pink purple moment going on, and then some nice warm browns and some grey shimmers. There's such a variety in here, you could literally create anything. Jaclyn Hill palette and the 39A palette are definitely my most favourite palettes right now. They are so amazingly cheap, it's ridiculous. They of course went up with their price a little bit because their packaging has changed and some pan sizing and such, but it's absolutely amazing and well worth the price. It's definitely not like the older Morphe palettes formula. It's completely new, either formula or pressing. All I can say is it is absolutely out of this world and a really essential thing for makeup artists or even beginners, because you will absolutely create the best eye looks with these two palettes. So next on my favorite product listing, I love the absolute the Inglot HD lip tints. Hands down the best liquid lipsticks I've ever used. So long wearing and so long lasting. These two here are from the Italian collection. This is 39. This is a really nice orangey fiery red. It was perfect for Christmas time when I did get it. So this is that shade 39 right here. It's so pretty on the lips. You can line it with either a darker lip liner or a lip liner of the same colour, and it just is so pretty. It lasts all night, there's no budging it. It's absolutely amazing. And this is the shade 48 from the Italian collection. I actually have this on my lips today. I have a gloss on top, but you can see the colour. I have this paired with a darker lip liner just because I have small lips and I overline. Don't judge. So yeah, them HD lip tints I would 100% recommend to anyone out there wanting to try a liquid lip. They are so long wearing, very extremely comfortable, not drying on the lips. So let me know if you do end up trying them out or if you already have them and if you like them. The product I can't live without is the Slay All Day Setting Spray by Gerard Cosmetics. This setting spray is absolute life. It smells of lavender. You can get other scents if you like, or you can get it scentless. I know this probably sounds ridiculous to some people, but like, I hate them setting sprays that come out just like and it's like someone just spat on your face. That's disgusting to me. It's always be a fan of the Urban Decay All Nighter. I still like that setting spray. It's just sometimes the particles of the spray come out very chunky on the skin, and like it can eat through your foundation. Like it can just make it like very wet and drippy looking unless you pound it out with a beauty blender, which I like doing but I don't always do. If I don't have time, I just leave it to dry in itself. And this one has a really nice mist and I really enjoy using it. It just comes out very fine and it makes me happy. Okay, that was a bit dramatic, but yeah, it's a good setting spray. So moving on then to the next product, the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation. This foundation just like I can't deal with how good it is. Like the pigment in the foundation as well as the coverage is just insane. Foundation is probably like my number one thing. Like if you don't have a good foundation, all your makeup looks absolutely crap. But this foundation is just the one thing I can say I don't like about it is it dries fast because it is such a matte foundation. You have to do like say one side of your face first, and you can't, like if you dotted it all over your skin and just went slow and patting, it'll dry by the time you get to the other side of your face. So if you're looking to get this foundation, I highly recommend you doing say like small parts at a time if you are slow at blending or whatever. But this foundation is absolutely out of this world. You'll probably find nothing better than the coverage of this foundation, and it lasts absolute ages. Like if you're not prepared to scrub your face at the end of the night, don't put this on because it will be on forever. So moving on then, a next product I absolutely love and adore. It's not makeup. It's not makeup. It is the Declior Paris Hydrofloral moisturizer. As you can see, I have made quite the dent in there, but it's absolutely amazing. It's sort of like it feels a bit like a gel. Like it doesn't feel like a wet moisturizer like when you put it on, and once you rub it in then it doesn't take long to dry in either. This is after working wonders on my dry skin. The smell of it as well is just amazing. It leaves your skin smelling so good. I often use this before my foundation as well. For some reason it just like absolutely covers my pores. Don't ask me how, it just does, and it's absolutely so if you're interested on a really good moisturizer, I would recommend this Declior or Declior, I'm not sure. The next product then is the Inglot AMC Face and Body Illuminator. This is absolutely amazing. I highly recommend this to people that like glowy skin and have a matte foundation, because you can mix them in with your foundation or just buff it into the skin before you apply your foundation, whichever suits you yourself. Really though, that hoover really needs to be used now. Moving on then, I am going to be showing you the BH Cosmetics lipstick palette. This is a really good alternative if you would like the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh, what did I do to my... Guys, today is just not my day. I'm just going to leave it at that and move on. I kind of fixed the black mark I did on my face. We're good. So the BH Cosmetic lipstick palette retails for, I think it's about 14 or 15 euro on Beauty Bay. I'm not too sure, but I'm going to leave the price here. I could be completely wrong. There's so much of a variety of shades, and there's even a lighter one up here, so you could mix and match the shades if you'd like. So these are all the shades right here. I haven't used this palette much because I'm only after getting it at Christmas, but the colours I have used are really nice, rich and creamy and full of pasty. I really enjoy using it. So yeah, I just think this is a really good thing to always have in your makeup kit. So moving on then to some of my favourite brushes. So the first brush I'm going to show you is the Blank Canvas E25. Really nice bristles on it, really soft to blend, and it just blends like an absolute dream. I have like 3 of these brushes just for backups, you know, but it blends better than most brushes that I do have. I have loads of brushes, but this one is definitely my favourite. It's really nice and fluffy, so you can get a good blend. So my next brush then is the Morphe Y4. It's the gold collection. This one is just absolutely amazing. I use it for contouring and bronzing. It's a really nice, dense but also fluffy to get either a chisel contour, or you could just blow it out with using a light hand. I really enjoyed this brush. So my next favourite then is the 202 Tapered Blender by Fuchsia. This brush is really nice. I'm just going to show you the little bristles if I can. It's really nice and tapered. As you can see, it's been through the wars, it's stained, but it still stayed true to its name. It's a very good blending brush and you'll always get a seamless blend with this brush. Now the next brush then is the Morphe Y15 brush. It's a really nice long domed brush. As you probably can't see at the top, but it goes like around, but at the top it's like in a point. I don't know if you can probably see that, but it's really good for your crease area to just tuck it right in there. So the last brush that I'm going to show you is the Blank Canvas F20 brush. My voice is going, oh my god. Anyways, I used this brush today for my foundation. It's a really nice dense flat top brush and it just buffs the foundation into the skin really well. You can stipple it or you can buff around in circular motions and it still comes out perfect. I really enjoy this brush. So next products then are the Hoola Light, because I'm not always tan. When I'm pale, this is my absolute best friend. This keeps me nice, warm and bronzed and not too harsh. It actually warms up your skin really nicely and suits me very well. So for all you pale girls, you're welcome. And also by benefit then, the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick is absolutely amazing. It's a really nice, rich and creamy formula. You get a really good amount in it. You get more than that. I use like half of it. It's a really good formula and it's so easy to blend. Like it literally takes about 5 seconds. It is called Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. And I did hear great things about it, that's why I bought it and I was so amazed by it. This was a really good purchase for me because not all the time I'm able to bronze up my face. I have to rush off and do other clients, so this is really handy for me in early mornings if I just want to quickly contour and just dab it with a beauty blender or a brush and voila, you have nice chiseled cheeks. Next thing then I'm going to rave about is the All for Beverly Hills highlighter. Absolutely amazing. I just love this highlighter because it's so blinding with every shade. Like there's one for extremely pale people, one to like if you have a pink blush on and you want to throw like a blush topper on. This one would be for like when you're wearing tan, and this one is for all them dark skinned ladies. This one is also a light skin to medium skin tone one as well. I just kind of mix all of them for myself. I just kind of like swoosh and just apply it on. I also got this on Beauty Bay because it carries so many good brands. You should already check out Beauty Bay. It's a really good website if you're looking for good makeup without the customs. And so guys, this is the end of today's video. I know it's so heartbreaking, but I'm really happy I got to get this video out there because I really want people to know the products I love and why I love them. When I was trying to get into makeup and stuff, I really loved watching videos like this and finding out things about products before I purchased them. I'm just giving you my opinion. So guys, I'm going to say goodbye and I'll see you on the next one. Be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave and leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. You can also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I'm going to leave the handles up here and I'll see you on the next video.